It's about time you guys took a peek into my life. Kind of like opening a book. Well, I'm starting to open that book. And for you guys to understand me, I have to open up. And I normally cope emotionally through eating, which tends to screw up my diet. Yes, sometimes it's day by day, week by week, or by example, like this past month by month. And that should explain a lot there. As for why, my mom. I call her mama. She's my mama. My mama got diagnosed roughly 5 years ago as a heart failure patient. It was rough, and I gotta keep it together. And relatively this past year near the end, she was diagnosed with liver failure. So that should explain quite a bit there. And as for her and I, both Mama and I, we have our good days, and we have our bad days. And sometimes days are just difficult and challenging at best. I love her. I do my best to help her. I'm her daughter. I'm supposed to be there for her, as she is supposed to be there for me.